I think that's the main reason why I like it here and why I want to stay here. As long as all of these provided, I'm all in. I'm Mahsa. I come from Iran. When I did my degree, I started teaching to earn money. I was like, this is actually fun. Share your knowledge and see that the other person understands and then does better because of you, the way you teach them. It was a very, very fulfilling feeling. Because of limitations at that time, obviously I couldn't. A teacher who can inspire, who can let me experience myself, make errors and mistakes and learn from them. So then I decided, why not I become one? Guide people to the right path, to the right direction, and maybe I can be inspiring for people who are really looking for something similar to me, to my interest. I can explore myself with my kids. With everything I do with the kids, not only they learn, I learn as well. So it's like a kind of a two-sided relationship. And the reason why I love here is that whenever I wanted to do something, it was always provided. So I think that's the main reason why I like it here and why I want to stay here. As long as all of these provided, I'm all in. I want them to learn from problems that they see and try to fix them when they are having the power, right? When they reach to a level that they can impact the society. I want them to never give up and learn from the mistakes that previous generation did and solve it, and that's how actually we evolve, I think. That's how we become better and better each generation, hopefully. That's my dream. One day, a tiny school that started become a huge hub for people in Malaysia who are actually in love with science and who wants to do science. I want to build something that people from all around Malaysia come here just because of this program that we have. So that's my goal. I hope I can do that. I hope I can achieve that.